Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discuss with you, AOC Gaming Q27G41ZE 240Hz Monitor review. So, if you're looking into the AOC Gaming Monitor that we are seeing right now here, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. So, the AOC gaming monitor here is a 27-inch gaming monitor built for players who want a combination of high refresh rates and sharp image quality. Now, it features a 2560 by 1440 QHD resolution and fast IPS panel, and a 240 Hz refresh rate with an optional overclock to 260 Hz on supported systems. It also offers a 0.3 ms MPRT response time, 1 ms GTG NVIDIA G-Sync compatible support, adaptive sync, HDR-ready support, and a 3-sided frameless design. Now, these specifications make it suitable for both competitive gaming and everyday use. Now, one of the biggest reasons this monitor stands out is its balance between speed and image quality. Now, a lot of high refresh rate monitors sacrifice color quality for speed, but the fast IPS panel delivers vibrant colors and wide viewing angles while still keeping motion smooth. Now, the QHD resolution also provides noticeably sharper visuals than a standard 1080p monitor, making games, videos, and desktop work look more detailed. Features like low input lag mode and adaptive sync help reduce input delay and screen tearing, which is especially useful in fast-paced games. Now, setting this up is quite simple. You just need to connect the monitor to your PC using a DisplayPort 1.4 cable if you want to use the full 240 Hz refresh rate. HDMI is also supported here, but DisplayPort provides the best compatibility for high refresh rates at QHD resolution. Now, once connected, open your Windows display, settings, or graphics card software and change the refresh rate to 240 Hz. Now, if your graphics card supports NVIDIA G-Sync compatible or adaptive sync, well, enable it for smoother gameplay. Now, the monitor's on-screen display also lets you adjust gaming settings such as low input lag, response time, brightness, color, and gaming presets. Now, where the Q27G41ZE really excels is competitive gaming. Now, the combination of fast IPS panel, 240 Hz refresh rate, and low response times makes movement feel extremely smooth in games like Counter-Strike 2, Valorant, Apex Legends, Fortnite, and Call of Duty. Now, at the same time, the QHD resolution gives you a sharper image than most 1080p esports monitors, making distant enemies and fine details easier to see. Now, since it's an IPS display, it also is better choice for watching movies, editing photos, and general productivity than many entry-level TN gaming monitors. But who is it actually good for? Now, it's an excellent choice for PC gamers with hardware capable of pushing high frame rates at 1440p. Now, it's ideal for competitive players who want smooth gameplay without giving up image quality, and it's also great fit for users who split their time between gaming, work, and content consumption. Now, if you're upgrading from a 1080p 144Hz or 165Hz monitor, the jump to a 27-inch QHD display with a 240 Hz refresh rate is noticeable in both clarity and responsiveness. But if you're building a mid-range to high-end gaming setup and want one monitor that performs well across competitive gaming, well, single-player games or in everyday use, well, this monitor here offers one of the strongest value combination in its class. But that's about it. So for this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.